What are the advantages of TecSOM tiles? A considerable time saver when cutting, installing, and removing. The easy replacement or exchange of tiles. The infinite design choices through the mixing of colors. The backing, which gives the tile its stability and unalterable form over time. The tile joints will remain invisible regardless of traffic, the number of washings, or changes in temperature. Our backing does not shrink or deform. How to replace your TecSOM tiles. Another undeniable advantage of TecSOM carpet tiles is their easy replacement. Thanks to our special TecSOM backing, TecSOM tiles do not cling to the floor. Also, the use of tackifying adhesive is only necessary for surfaces of more than 40 square meters, making them very easy to replace. In case of stains, move the furniture. Remove the tiles with a spatula. Replace old tiles with new TecSOM tiles. You just have to place the tiles. No glue or adhesive is necessary. That's it.